Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tack. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add favorites to your live TV guide on your Amazon Fire TV or Fire Stick. So this is very simple to do. What I'm going to do is press options when I'm on the live TV, and then I can go to add favorite channels under here. So just press the button with the three lines on it, this one right here, and this little option menu will open up where we can go to add and manage channels, or we can go to add favorite channels. So you can just select the channel now if you want to add it as a favorite. So I like the weather one right here. I can just add this one as a favorite. So let's press options on, add to favorite channels. And then we can just add that one. And it should display on the top now for us. You can see I have these two ones added as favorite. So that's how you can add like a single one at a time. I'm going to remove this one. I just like the weather one. So let's press options and then go to add and manage channels now. You can see your favorite channels will display at the top. And then we can go to attended channels right here. And we can select multiple ones at the same time. Maybe like local 5. Let's go to this one. And then we can go to add favorites right there. And they're going to display on the top now. And then we can go back and I should have 3 favorite channels. Alright, so I can see it all under here. And then I can go to my other sources too, like Prime Video. I think there is one channel I like that has like Star Trek all the time. Maybe it's Pluto TV. I can just go through here and look for the Star Trek channel specifically. Or maybe it was under the Prime Video. So here is actually Star Trek. I really like watching Star Trek. Stargate maybe. CSI is pretty good too. CSI Miami. And then we can just go to favorite. And then once we have that set up, we can go back to live TV, press the button on your remote, go up, and here's all our favorite channels. So you can see Star Trek is on here, Stargate, it's that SG1 or whatever they call it. I have to watch that. But hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more checkout videos coming up next on Your Six Tack.